Yes. So get your lower KG rhyme book, ठीक है, and open page number. Okay, I'll tell you the page number. You have to open page number 6. The poem is on page number 6 in your rhyme book. The title of the poem is I Hear Thunder. What is the title of the poem? I Hear Thunder. Thunder, yesterday I told you. Thunder का मतलब क्या होता है? जब बादल गरजते हैं, बादल आपस में टकराते हैं, तो हमें आवाज आती है ना बहुत तेज, है ना? So that is thunder. Okay, उसको थंडर कहते हैं. So the title of the poem is I Hear Thunder. It is on page number 6 in your rhyme book. Start करें? Let's start. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Peter better raindrops. Peter better raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. Chalo, one more time. Come on. Come on, everyone. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Peter better raindrops. Peter better raindrops. I am wet through. I am wet through. Okay. Chalo, now let's revise the Hindi rhyme as well. Jhanda. है ना? Chalo, come on. Say the rhyme Jhanda as well. Chalo. मेरा झंडा. Start. 3 रंगों का मेरा झंडा, लहर लहर लहराता है, मिलजुल कर रहे सदा हम, यह संदेश सुनाता है. कम ऑन एवरीवन, से विथ मैम. आप सबको आता है ना? मैम तो पूछ चुकी हैं आपसे. कम ऑन, से विथ मैम. 3 रंगों का मेरा झंडा, लहर लहर लहराता है, मिलजुल कर रहे सदा हम, यह संदेश सुनाता है. Okay, all right kids, now get your English copy. We'll do our English work today also. Yeah, like yesterday we are going to write letter A to Z. आज फिर से हम letter A to Z लिखेंगे. Ma'am is going to write here one by one and then you have to copy from the board. ठीक है? First of all, write down today's date. That is 13 July 2021. The new students, if you don't have the copy with you, then you can write the work in the rough copy. And afterwards, when you get the copies, you write it there only. Yes, so we are going to write letter A to Z. So first of all, write down the date, 13/7/2021. Then we'll start writing. Good. So write down in a good and neat handwriting. Shall we start now? You have written the date? Have you written the date, everyone? आपने date लिख दी है आज की? Then we'll start our work. अच्छा, one more thing. Those who don't have the set copies, जिनके पास set copies नहीं है, kindly write down the heading also. Write down the heading as well. I'm writing the heading also here, okay? Write small letters A to Z. Okay? If you don't have the set copies with you, kindly write the heading first. Write small letters A to Z. Start करें. Shall we start now? Shall we start now? Let's start. A. Say the letter and say the phonic sound as well. So हमारा revision भी हो जाएगा and phonic sounds भी revise हो जाएंगे. ठीक है? Whenever you writing down any letter, you have to say the letter along with its phonic sound. A. A says eh. Then B. B says bo. C. C says k. After C, D. D says do. D says do. Yes. D says do. Then after D, E. E says A. E, A. Then F. F says for. F says for. Say, mothers, kindly make sure that kids say the phonic sound after while writing the letters. Because of A to Z we had completed. Now we'll move to phonic sound, we'll move to vowels, 2-letter words, 3-letter words. So they are able to read and write the words only when they know the phonic sound of it. So it's very important. That's why I'm telling again and again this thing. Kindly make sure when they write the letters, they have to say the phonic sound with the letter. Okay? Now, after F, G. Jiga, gun. Jiga, gun. Then after G, H. H, her. H, her. Hat. Then I says E. Ice cream. I says E. Then J. J. J says J. J, jug. Then after J, K. K ka kite. K ka kite. Then after K, L. L, lion. L says L. Then after L, M. M says M. Then N says N. Write down the letters and say the phonic sound as well. Lokendra? Okay, Lokendra, I'll remove you from the class. Henna, you don't want to open your camera? Okay. I'm going to remove you from the class. Again and again the same thing. Either you switch on your camera, Lokendra, or I'll remove you from the class. Manika, Anshuman, switch on the camera. Now, after an O. O, orange. O says O. Anshuman, switch on the camera. Yes, Dishya, wait for others, beta. P, after O, P. P says P. P, parrot. P says P. Then after P, Q. Q says Q. Mothers, अगर कोई भी letter के in any letter phonic sound, if you found any difficulty, kindly ask me. In case of any difficulty in phonic sound of any letter, kindly ask me. Then R. QR. Q says qua, R says ra. Then after R, S. S says so. So. Okay. So again, I am repeating from here. Q says qua, R says ra, S says sir, T says sir, U says oh. V says V. V. W says wo. X says X. Then Y says year. And Z says Z. So kids, this A to Z, from letter A to Z, small letter A to Z, you have to write this very neatly in your English copy. You have to write letters, small letters A to Z, neatly in your English copy. Okay? And kindly revise the reverse counting. Look here at the board and revise the reverse counting loudly. Come on. 10, say 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and the last one is 1. इसको कहते हैं reverse counting. This is reverse counting, मतलब उल्टी counting. Usually we start counting from 1 to 10. हम हमेशा 1 से लेकर 10 तक बोलते हैं. But in reverse counting हम उल्टी counting बोलेंगे. From 10 to 1. Come on. Again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Speak everyone. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come on kids, one more time. 10. I'm looking at you everyone. आपके lip sync हो रहा है कि नहीं? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay. All right. Yes. The school is over for us today. Done our work. Done our play. Before we go, we come to say, thank you, Heavenly Father, for this beautiful day. All right, kids. Bye-bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. Come with your happy faces and pretty smiles. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, everyone.